Well, they all seem to be standing, so I didn't do too bad a job. But man, after that shower yesterday on my back and on my bones, I'm still sore and tired. So I'm just going to sit here with a light rain, drinking my coffee on the deck, pondering if I'm going to wait till the weekend to throw up the fence or just wait until next week. Depends on how I feel at the end of the week. It ain't easy being a broke down, over the hill white boy. But I'm getting it done. And I know how I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to get a couple of bags of cement, pour them into the hole. That's it. But first, I need to grade along that side, especially right there between that pine tree. My shed, as it's a real whoop-de-doo over there. Yeah, I want to level that off before I put up the fence. Anyhow, y'all have a blessed day.